Today is going to show you how to use AI in integration with some of the Google apps. Um, you've heard of ChatGPT and other AIs. This one specifically I'm going to use is Google Bard. I think it's the best as far as integration and making spreadsheets and just with all the Google apps. Really a fan of it. So one cool thing is you could just enter a prompt. You could say something like make a spreadsheet sheet that compares all the iPad models. So then, if you're ever going like Christmas shopping or you're doing some sort of shopping, you want to know sort of the differences between products. It makes it a whole lot easier to see the differences between products in a way that's a lot easier to visualize because there's a lot of different versions of iPads. Makes it a lot easier to shop, a lot easier to sort of know what you're doing, and you could sort of see specific things about your spreadsheet. And you could also, cool feature, is export it to Sheets. So you click export it to Sheets. It will open up in Sheets. If you have the Google app on your phone, it will open up a spreadsheet and give you all the information about all the iPads there are. So for this current generation, you see all the iPad versions. You see their price, you see their operating system, you see their Pencil support for Apple, how much RAM they have, and some basic specifications. Now, if you wanted to go back to that Google Bard, you can go here and say, make me a spreadsheet. Sheet giving me a comparison of all iPads currently available, including screen on time of each iPad. So specifically, if you had a question like, oh, I didn't see the battery life on that spreadsheet. So now I'm going to make an edit of that spreadsheet, and hopefully you'll come up with something with battery life on it. So let's see here. So you see the estimated battery life now, screen on time. So give a certain feature or sort of specification that you're looking for, you could add it into your prompt, and it should edit your sort of spreadsheet or create a new spreadsheet. Not really edit your old other one. You can ask it to edit another one as well. So right here, I'm going to go back to that spreadsheet that I just opened. And from here, I see all iPads have about an estimated screen on time of about the same. So that's not too much of a concern with me. So you can see now, if I was to go back into the Google Sheets app, let's see, Google Sheets app, and click back, and you have all your spreadsheets from what you've made before. So before, I should come through some other spreadsheets I've made. I did one comparing Apple Watches. So it gives me the main features and summaries. And I said, oh, I don't want just all the main features and summaries. I want specific specifications on it. So then I had a new prompt. And the good thing about this is it tells you your prompt. Make me a spreadsheet of all the features of Apple Watch generation. So this new prompt, it's the name of the sheet. And you can see this prompt's a lot better. It gives you all the main features in comparison of each generation. So really cool features. I really like it. Google Bard, another cool tip you could use. Click into Google Bard. Just move this out of the way. You can click add to home screen in Chrome. I just like Google Bard specifically because it's got Google integration. Everything's Google based, so you could use Google Sheets. You could ask it to make a Google Doc. It makes it a lot easier, in my opinion, than using like a ChatGPT. Just something I found interesting. I still like ChatGPT, but I don't like how it's not up to date and they make users pay for it. I think Google Bard's good with integration and just making users not pay for it. So it's just a little sort of brief overview of how to use AI in a useful way.